Ano to? Ito ba yung tigisa tayo? Yung dalawa? O, tigisa tayo nito. Ano ba? Yan. Hindi tayo ano? Nasa yung binili mo dati? Hindi masyadong malaman. Ito ba yan? Hindi, ano to? Yan. Ito natin ano ngayon? Brisket slice. So you don't have the brisket slice now? Yeah, brisket slice now. Last month we have that. Yeah, last time we have that. Every time we try different type of. So now you don't have even in the morning? I thought it's already sold out. Yeah. What is this? T-bone? T-bone. Is it Wagyu? This one Angus. Angus? Yeah. Do you have that T-bone for Wagyu? No, we don't have it. We have only this one, Angus. Wagyu T-bone is hard to get. And this one is pork? Pork. I think yung binili mo yung masarap. Yung natin, natak natin. Oo, yung natak natin, yung masarap, yung natak. Yan ba yun? Tingin? Okay. Patayin, patayin.
I already told you that pies is unbeatable.
Yeah.
It's really good. We should have bought a lot.
Yeah, you should buy a lot. I told you.
Next
This
time.
one is so good. This
Yeah,
one.
that's good.
Wow.
Yeah, you need to go with the sauces. We have the small sauces, and then you cook that with sliced onion. That is the perfect Wagyu dough. Did you get the sauce?
No.
No?
We only pair it with like kimchi.
Try it. It's stir fry, and then you put it on top of the rice. Yeah, it's a perfect Wagyu dough.
Stir fry.
With egg yolk.
Okay,
Yeah.
one
With the
sauce.
egg yolk. What sauce is that?
You wanna come have a look?
Hintayin kita.
Ano mo? Ikaw na.
Ikaw na hawak
You don't want the sauce?
Ano na, he'll check.
I'll check.
It's not gonna be that high. Very, very unbeatable price.
Which the sauce?
No, not the sauce. The steak part.
Ah, the steak up. Yeah.
Yeah.
It is. Because that's why we're always here monthly.
That sauce. So in the restaurant, how they cook it is they put this sauce, but it's very thick. So just watch out how much you put it in, and you stir fry that first, and then before you take it out, put this sauce in.
So you stir fry first.
Yeah, stir fry that with sliced onion.
Sliced on like white onion or yellow?
Up to you. Yeah, I like white.
Okay, white onion and then stir fry.
Yeah, it's not strong as good as strong.
Is it like half cooked or?
So you stir fry it till half cooked,
Yes.
and then you put the sauce in, and then you just mix it. After you put the sauce in, and then you just mix it.
In the frying pan still?
Yes, yeah. And then for dipping sauce, this is my favorite dipping sauce. It smells like a hibachi flavor.
What?
Hibachi, you know those charcoal flavor? It has it in this sauce. Yeah, so this is for dipping. This is for cooking.
For cooking?
Yeah.
So only a small portion of that?
Yeah, because it's quite thick. But if you like it, you can put a little bit more. Yeah, so how I make my Wagyu dough is I stir fry with that salt.
Is it sweet?
No, it's not so sweet. It's salt.
Okay.
Yeah. And this is good. Yeah.
How much are they?
That's $8, that's $6.
Okay.
Yeah.
Thank you.
Try it and let me know next time. Oh, do you want chili or sweet?
What?
This is chili, that is sweet.
I want sweet.
You want sweet? Smell.
Syria.
Actually, huh? 8 and 6. $8 and 6. Oh, okay.
Can you get a whole cake?
Pardon?
Can you get a whole one?
Yeah, which one would you like?
What's the flavor?
So the big one, creamy yama. On the side, it is chopped milk. Then the middle is also creamy yama. Then mocha.
Ano masarap?
Which one is better?
Ooh, I would have to say out of all of them, it just really depends. They're all really different.
The
But
yema or
the
the?
yama is more popular.
Yeah.
Yama?
Yeah.
Is it on the sponge inside?
Yes, you want sponge.
Ano, yama na lang? Ito?
Yeah, we'll get the yema.
Yama? Any allergies?
No.
This one does have peanuts.
Okay.
Huwag na, nag-ano ka na. Nagda-diet ka, di ba?
Ano ka naman yun?
Ube yun eh. Can you click candles?
Yeah, we do. They're over here.
Gusto mo ano ito ba?
Huh?
Copper.
So,
Oh, sige, yun lang, sige.
Do you want candles?
yeah, how much is the candle?
450.
Huh?
450.
How about that one?
550.
550 ba yan? Tignan mo. May kandila na ba yan?
Wala. It's just
It's just a chapel. How much is that one?
65.
And one candle?
Was this cash or card?
Card please.
Would you like a bag for 50 cents?
Bag daw. Ang dami pala.
No? Gagawin ko na lang siya.
Yep, here you are.
Thank you.
Thank
Thank
you.
you guys. Have a good day.
You too.
Bye.
I will collect the one in order online.
Online? Yes. Thank you.
Sabi ni ate, hi, I will click and collect. Click and collect. Hi, Mata. Ang dami ng satellite oh. Para saan ba yung satellite dish na yan?
Wala sila yun.
Knock knock! Sachi! Sachi!
Oh my God, Bea, Rika.
Ang aga namin. Hindi, dadaan lang namin muna to.
Hindi kami kasama si Nana.
May aso kasi kami.
Ano ako, dadaan ko lang ako kasi may alaga kaming dog. Sila babalik ng
Pabalik na kami.
Hindi ka pupunta? Hindi pa nga ako naka-ready. Hindi ka pupunta.
Si Paul may iwan. May
May
aso
iwan.
kami. Susunduin pa namin si nanay. Hindi, mamaya na.
ng gabi.
Dumating ng maaga.
Hindi, ano ka ba? Mamaya na.
Mamayang gabi pa kami.
Mamaya.
Ay, Sachi!
Sachi! Mamaya na,
Pwede ka
pagbalik
mabuksan,
namin.
Sachi?
Yeah, ha?
Pwede kang buksan?
Alin?
Si Sachi.
Sachi.
Asa si Kuya Jerry?
Nasa ang ano ko si Sachi.
Hello. Hello, Sachi!
Sachi!
Sachi.
Ano, Sachi? Gusto mo pumunta ka sa amin? May kalaro ka doon. Kasi maharot yun.
Kumain kayo.
Hindi kami kakain. Mamaya, babalik pa kami.
Eh, paano ikaw?
May dala kaming dogs na malaki. So, alagaan ko lang siya. Sila.
Hindi
So,
pwede iwan?
Hindi na.
Magulo.
Oo.
Magulo yun.
Kumuha ka na ng
Hindi, mamaya
Gabi
na.
siya. Kuha. Iuwi ko.
Haggard's person sa
Ang ganda.
Sabi ko sa'yo, pag kailangan mo,
O, diba? Kompleto ang Eleanor.
Oo nga, may siya, Schaefer. Saan bili yan? Ang ganda.
alam mo ba sa Costco dati $50?
Oo nga daw.
Yeah. Nung unang ano ng
Ang ganda.
Costco,
Ngayon wala na niyan yata eh. Yung ganyang kaganda.
mahal, $80.
Alam mo,
Iba na yata. Mas
Mas
maganda
maganda.
ba?
Meron yan si Mami dati.
Schaefer? Ay, nasaan na?
Nang dalaga siya.
Oh, nasa na?
Wala na, nangaloko siya.
Nino.
Sachi, hello!
Nakakainis ko.
Hindi!
Teka, hintay mo si Jerry para makauwi ka ng lechon. Wait lang.
Hindi, ano ka ba?
Babalik kami.
Bakit
sila?
wala ka pa? Babalik kami.
Anong oras ka babalik?
Babalik kami. Susunduin pa namin si nanay.
Mag-freshen up pa sila.
Mag-ano pa yan. Mag-change attire pa yan.
Ako allergy ako sa pollen talaga.
Ano nangyari sa inyo?
Ayan, nagmamulot. Lagi, ang mga senior,
Asan sila? Ano yung kapitbahay mo?
nagsimba.
Oo. Pagkasimba, punta sila. Bakit Saturday? Sabadista ba sila? Sabado rin ba kayo nagsisimba? Anticipated?
Anticipated.
Para bukas relax na lang.
Protein.
Yung, may Tagalog doon na misa? Sa Kellyville meron every first Sunday.
May araw, may week.
Linggo, oo.
Ay, mami, gusto mo i-ano ko.
Gusto nila English.
Ano kasi Tagalog din. Teka dyan.
Si Enteng, pupunta? Nasa Melbourne?
Na naman.
Nasa Adelaide na naman.
Sinawag sa Adelaide.
Nasa, eto. Ano ba to?
Ito siguro yun.
Ay, dapat pala pinadala natin kay Ate.
Ayun na yun yata.
Ito yung Ate.
Parang sa pansit ito.
Yan. Dito yan, dito. Pansit ba yan?
Pansit ang nakalagay. Oh.
Pwede na yan.
Kaya mapahan. Ito hindi naman.
Ito baka hindi nyo nakita.
Tanggalin ko na rin yung takot nito.
Ito pa isa naman sa sinigang.
Niluto ko maigi yung ano. Ayan, may bowl dyan, mami. Ito may sushi.
Kukuha na lang ako sa una. Pagkakasalan.
Ang dami naman yung
Mami, pati sabaw. Ay, sorry, na
Ano ito? Potato.
Ito.
Tinikma ko na yan, masarap.
Dami mo siya dito. Mami, potato na may broccoli.
Ano ba siya? Potato gratin?
Hindi halata ang
Hindi ko
broccoli.
alam ba kung anong tawag yan.
Hindi,
Basta-
baked potato and broccoli.
Tingin ko sa
Hindi, wala.
potato ka.
Mami, may nani ka. Anong gulay? Ayaw mong gulay?
Mamaya po.
Eto, mami, ang mga gulay ko. Gusto mong ko na kita. Ayaw mo.
Mamaya.
Okay. Idalhin ko sa labas.
Talabas na lang. Kami ni nanay. Thank you. Sachi! Kakain ka, baby?
Sige po, muna. Okay. Sige.